Well, the client contacted us. They were looking to build a whole new property, and they knew with all the houses going up behind them, they were going to need something to give them some privacy. So we came up with a plan for a bespoke garden room. We're putting something in somebody's home, and it has to be at the best possible quality, built in the best possible way, using the best possible materials. The James Hardie products, we can provide that for every single person that we provide a service for. We all agreed that using the Hardie VL Plank was the solution for the customer. It's A2 fire rated, so it gives them peace of mind from a safety perspective. The whole structure can be made to meet that requirement, so you can place it anywhere on your property, as close to the property line as you wish. With a traditional structure, you just can't do that. It won't deteriorate. It'll look as good in 10 years as the day that we install it for them. There's nearly zero maintenance. They might need to give it a wipe over if it gets mucky, and it just looks absolutely awesome. Our clients come to us for something bespoke, and our garden rooms need to go up quickly, securely, and last. So to have a product like Hardie VL Plank with huge options for colours and a simple, straightforward application process enables us to provide our clients with any shape and nearly any colour of garden room that they're after. Someone's home is their safe place. It's their refuge. It's where they go to at the end of the day. It's where they bring up their children. It's where they spend their best times. And for us to be able to provide someone with a special place where they can make memories, where they can feel good, where they can feel safe and secure, does it get any better than that?